How to insert a checkbox in your Microsoft Word document. First of all, if you're using Word on a Windows operating system, then select Home and then Properties. And on macOS, simply navigate to Word, Preferences. In your Preferences, select Ribbon and Toolbar under Authoring and Proofing Tools. Make sure that Ribbon is selected and then select the Developer checkbox. Make sure to save your changes. You should now see that the Developer tab is added to your ribbon. Select Developer, and here the checkbox icon will allow you to insert a checkbox to where your cursor is located in your document. After adding a checkbox, you will, in addition, be able to customize your checkbox options. To do this, simply select Options next to the checkbox tool. On this window, you will be able to set a default value, custom size, and so on. I hope this helped you out. Feel free to use the playlist linked in the description below for more help and leave a comment if you have any questions.